In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get an Amazon Prime Visa card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up chasebank.com like you usually would. Then from here, it should bring something like this. Once you're in here, you'll need to click Browse All Reward Cards. Then you'll see an overview of all of the existing credit cards that Chase Bank provides. From here, you can search down for Prime right here, and as you can see, Prime Visa. But then from here, you can click See Details and click Apply Now. From here, you'll see you are now leaving Chase, and then you'll need to click Proceed. From here, a new tab will pop up where you get into the Amazon website, where you can click Sign In to apply. Once you have signed in using your mobile phone number or email, you'll then be directed into an application page where you'll need to fill in all the details that Amazon and Chase Bank will need so you can get the credit card. Then from here, you'll just need to click Send, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!